A large milk tanker truck arrives at the secret 2026 ice cream factory under bright morning sun. Workers open the valves of the huge milk tanker to start unloading fresh milk. Fresh milk begins flowing from the tanker into stainless steel collection pipes. Multiple workers continuously transfer milk from tanker to the main processing tanks. Fresh milk is now fully transferred from the tanker into the factory processing system. Workers use large buckets to collect fresh milk coming from the tanker truck. A team of workers carefully carries heavy buckets of fresh milk into the factory hall. Workers pour fresh milk from buckets into the first large receiving tank inside factory. Fresh milk is poured into giant stainless steel tanks for initial quality testing. Fresh milk is now fully transferred from the tanker into the factory processing system. The team checks temperature and quality of milk before starting the mixing process. Workers carefully measure and pour fresh milk into the first large mixing tank. The mixture is heated in modern pasteurization machines for perfect safety. Workers monitor temperature and time during the pasteurization process carefully. Pasteurized mixture is cooled rapidly in advanced cooling tanks inside the factory. Sugar syrup and stabilizers are added to the cooled mixture with precision. High-speed homogenizer machine blends everything into a silky smooth liquid base. The smooth ice cream base is now ready for the important aging process. The aged ice cream base moves into modern continuous freezers for aeration. Air is injected into the mixture to create light and creamy texture. Workers add natural vanilla flavor to the frozen ice cream base. Chocolate chips and nuts are gently mixed into the vanilla ice cream. The flavored ice cream is now ready for high-speed filling and packaging. Automated filling machines pour ice cream into cups and cones at high speed. The secret ice cream factory successfully completes another high-quality batch. The entire production line runs smoothly with perfect quality control. This is how premium ice cream is proudly made in the secret 2026 factory. The secret ice cream factory completes another successful day of premium production. Quality control team performs the last check before cold storage.
Sample integrity confirmed. Initiate transfer to cold storage.
Another day of high-quality ice cream production comes to a successful end.
The team prepares the machines for tomorrow's fresh ice cream production. Lights reflect beautifully on the clean and organized factory floor. The secret ice cream factory stands ready for tomorrow's fresh production. Workers add chocolate chunks and sauce into the rich chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream is gently filled into premium cups with perfect swirl. Rich chocolate ice cream is now flowing smoothly from the final freezer. Beautiful chocolate swirl patterns are created on top of each cup. Lids are gently placed and sealed on the luxurious chocolate ice cream cups. Finished chocolate ice cream cups are packed into elegant gift boxes. Quality team gives final approval to the luxurious chocolate ice cream batch.
Viscosity is optimal. Proceed to next checkpoint. Microbial scan is clean, approving this batch.
The secret factory has produced another batch of world-class chocolate ice cream. This is how luxurious chocolate ice cream is made in the secret 2026 factory. Secret Ice Cream Factory has delivered another batch of premium quality ice cream. Perfect ice cream products are now ready for cold storage and distribution. Finished ice cream cups move on conveyor toward the final cold storage area. Lids are automatically placed and sealed on the filled ice cream cups.
Powerful mixers start blending milk, cream, and ingredients into a smooth base.
Modern automated pumps transfer the measured milk into the main processing line. This is how premium ice cream is proudly produced in the secret 2026 factory. Finished ice cream cups are packed into boxes by robotic packing arms. Quality control team inspects the final packaged ice cream products. Proud workers stand beside the final packaged premium ice cream products. Workers give final touch to the packaged ice cream before cold storage. Hundreds of perfect ice cream cups are now ready for customers worldwide. Boxes of fresh ice cream are prepared for dispatch from the secret factory. Workers carefully load packed ice cream boxes into the refrigerated storage room. Packed ice cream boxes are moved into the large refrigerated storage room. Finished boxes of premium ice cream are now loaded onto the delivery truck. Elegant boxes of chocolate ice cream are stacked neatly for distribution. Workers carefully stack the ice cream boxes inside the refrigerated delivery truck. The refrigerated truck is now fully loaded with fresh premium ice cream for delivery.